Good day and welcome to Edusmart concept. In this video, we'll be reviewing the JAMB Physics 2023 questions along with their answers and explanations, from question 1 to 20. 1. Which of the following represent the correct precision if the length of a piece of wire is measured with a meter rule? A. 35 mm, B. 35.0 mm, C. 35 mm, D. 35.01 mm. Answer B. A meter rule can measure lengths accurately to the nearest 0.1 cm, 1 mm. Therefore, the correct representation should be 35.0 mm, showing 1 decimal place for precision. 2. Which of the following is most strongly deflected by a magnetic field? A. Gamma rays, B. Alpha rays, C. Beta particles, D. X-rays. Answer C. Beta particles, electrons, are charged and very light, so they experience strong deflection in a magnetic field. Gamma rays and X-rays are electromagnetic waves with no charge, while alpha particles are heavy and deflect less. 3. A substance has a half-life of 3 minutes. After 6 minutes, the count rate was observed to be 600. What was its count rate at 0 time? A. 200, B. 1200, C. 1600, D. 2400. Answer D. In 2 half-lives, 6 minutes, the count reduces to 1/4 of the original. If 600 is left, the original was 600 times 4 is equal to 2400. 4. A light of energy 5 eV falls on a metal and electrons with a maximum kinetic energy of 2 eV are ejected. The work function of the metal is A. 0.4 eV, B. 2.5 eV, C. 3.0 eV, D. 7.0 eV. Answer C. Work function equals energy of photon, kinetic energy equals 5 eV, 2 eV equals 3 eV. 5. If an object is placed in front of 2 mirrors inclined at 90 degrees, how many images will be formed? A. 5, B. 4, C. 3, D. 2. Answer C. Number of images formed equals 360/θ 1. With θ equals 90 degrees, images equals 360/90, 1 is equal to 4, 1 is equal to 3. 6. A 12V battery has an internal resistance of 0.5 ohms. If a cable of 1 ohm resistance is connected across the terminals of the battery, the current drawn from the battery is A. 16.0 A, B. 8.0 A, C. 0.8 A, D. 0.4 A. Answer B. Total resistance equals 0.5 plus 1.0 equals 1.5 ohms. Current equals V/I equals 12 divided by 1.5 equals 8A. 7. If 2 parallel wires carry currents flowing in the same direction, the conductors will A. Attract each other, B. Repel each other, C. Both move in the same direction, D. Have no effect on each other. Answer A. Parallel currents in the same direction attract, while those in opposite directions repel, due to the magnetic fields around them. 8. From the generating station to each substation, power is transmitted at a very high voltage so as to reduce A. Eddy current loss, B. Hysteresis loss, C. Heating in the cables, D. Magnetic flux leakage. Answer C. High voltage reduces the current for the same power, which reduces I2 heating losses in transmission cables. 9. 2 tuning forks of frequencies 256 Hz and 260 Hz are sounded close to each other. What is the frequency of the beats produced? A. 516 Hz, B. 258 Hz, C. 4 Hz, D. 300 Hz. Answer C. Beat frequency equals F, F2 equals 260, 256 equals 4 Hz. 10. The eye controls the amount of light reaching the retina by adjusting the A. Cornea, B. Iris, C. Retina, D. Optic nerve. Answer B. The iris adjusts the size of the pupil, regulating the amount of light entering the eye, just like a camera aperture. 11. Which of the following is a set of vectors? A. Force, mass, and momentum. B. Acceleration, velocity, and momentum. C. Mass, weight, and density. D. Mass, volume, and density. Answer B. Explanation: vectors have both magnitude and direction. Acceleration, velocity, and momentum are vectors, unlike mass, density, or volume, which are scalars. 12. A catapult used to hold a stone of mass 500 g is extended by 20 cm with an applied force, F. If the stone leaves with a velocity of 40 meters per second, the value of F is A. 4.0 times 10 superscript 2 n / m superscript 2. B. 2.0 times 10 superscript 3 n. C. 4.0 times 10 superscript 3 n. D. 4.0 times 10 n. Answer B. 13. A nuclear reaction initiated by adding neutron is called A. Nuclear fission. B. Nuclear fusion. C. Nuclear enrichment. D. Radioactivity. Answer A. Explanation: nuclear fission occurs when a heavy nucleus, e.g., uranium, absorbs a neutron and splits into lighter nuclei, releasing energy. 14. The resultant of two forces acting on an object is maximum if the angle between them is A. 45 degrees. B. 0 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 180 degrees. Answer B. Explanation: resultant is maximum when forces act in the same direction, i.e., angle between them is 0 degrees. 15. 200 g of water at 90 degrees Celsius is mixed with same quantity of water at 30 degrees Celsius. What is the final temperature? A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 60 degrees Celsius. C. 70 degrees Celsius. D. 80 degrees Celsius. Answer B. Explanation: since equal masses of water are mixed, the final temperature is the average, $frac 90 plus 30, 2 equals 60 degrees C. 16. The equation PV gamma equals constant is Charles's law when A. X equals 1, Y equals 1, Z equals 1. B. X equals 0, Y equals 1, Z equals -1. C. X equals 1, Y equals 0, Z equals -1. D. X equals 0, Y equals 1, Z equals 1. Answer C. Explanation: Charles's law states $V \T at constant pressure. That implies $X equals 1, Y equals 0, Z equals $1. 17. The thermometric substance of an absolute thermometer is A. Alcohol. B. Mercury. C. Helium. D. Platinum. Answer C. Explanation: absolute thermometers are based on gas thermometry, and helium is commonly used as the thermometric substance. 18. Dispersion of light by a glass prism is due to the A. Different hidden colors of the glass. B. Different speeds of various colors in glass. C. Defect in the glass. D. High density in glass. Answer B. Explanation: dispersion occurs because different colors, wavelengths, of light travel at different speeds in glass, causing refraction at different angles. 19. When an atom loses or gains a charge, it becomes A. An electron. B. An ion. C. A neutron. D. A proton. Answer B. Explanation: atoms that gain or lose electrons become ions, positive, cations, or negative, anions. 20. To convert an AC dynamo to a DC dynamo, the A. Number of turns of the coil is increased. B. Slip rings are replaced with a split ring commutator. C. Number of turns of the coil is reduced. D. Split ring commutator is replaced with slip rings. Answer B. Explanation: a DC dynamo requires a split ring commutator to rectify the alternating current into direct current.